Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Simply Britty. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and thank you for all of your support. I also want to say congratulations to Joyce Shelton. You were the winner picked for the last giveaway, so I will be reaching out to you on Instagram to send you over your goodies. Don't worry guys, I have another huge 10K giveaway coming and that video is coming up soon, so make sure you have my post notifications on so you don't miss out on that one. So we're just gonna hop right in like usual. All I'm doing right here is sizing my nails to my full nail covers and making sure that they fit wall to wall. I purchased these off of Amazon and these will be listed in my brand new Amazon storefront. Oh my gosh, I'm going to talk about it later in the video. But right now I'm going in and I'm filling in my glass heart with some alcohol. This is going to be my slip solution. So if you have a Polygel kit that came with slip, you can always use that. And today I'm going to be using MAKARRT Clear Polygel, and I'm also going to be using some of the Pine White Polygel. I like the Pine brand's Polygel because it's more of a milky white than a bright white. So if that's the look you're trying to go for, I definitely recommend this. And right here, all I'm doing is clipping off some of my full nail cover. I don't like the little number part at the top, so I clip it off. So I'm going in with this. This is a piece off of my nail art display tool that I always use. This is also in my Amazon storefront. I love it. Definitely recommend if you like doing nail art. This is a must. And I'm going in with some of this 3D carving gel that I purchased off of Amazon, because what we're going to do first is go in and make our 3D flower design. It came with all of these colors, and here is the quick preview of my Amazon store. As you can see, I just set it up. So I have a little post for the 3D gel, and then I separate it into like different categories. So polygel, I have my TikTok buys, my favorite gel polishes, nail prep products, drills, lamps, all the full nine. That full nail cover album at the bottom is going to be like your go-to. These are the main full nail covers that I use. So when you scroll up, as you can see, it's kind of like Instagram where you have posts. So there's the post. I just posted, hey, this is what I use. And if you guys follow me on there, then you can see what I buy before it hits my YouTube channel. So if you want to stay up to date, especially with like TikTok and stuff, how that stamper, it's like sold out everywhere. You can't get it now. Definitely follow me on my Amazon storefront so you can keep up with that. But this was my first time using this 3D nail art gel stuff and like making flowers, and it's like so easy. I'm using this Beetles brush that came in one of my kits, but it also comes with a brush that you can use. I just wanted one that was a little bit thinner, but all I do is I go in and I roll it, and I kind of formed it a little bit into that petal shape, and then I just took my brush, dipped it in the alcohol, and just started, carving out a flower. It was super easy to do. Literally anybody can do this. It's so easy. It's easier for you to just watch me work than for me to explain. But what I would recommend is, instead of going in with your finger like I did in the video and picking up like the ball of clay almost, I would recommend using a tool to pick out some, just in case your fingers are like dirty and have like lint or something in it. You don't want to get it in the whole pot. So, and it's also just kind of more sanitary. So I wish I didn't do that, but yeah, definitely just go in with a tool, like the end of the polygel brush kind of, and just pick up some. Yeah. Love the flower design, super cute. I'm going to be doing flowers more often, so get ready for it, because now that I know how to do it, I'm unstoppable. I'm just going to sit back though and let you guys watch me make this floral design. Beautiful. All I'm going to do is cure that, and then I'm going to go in now with my Pine White Polygel. I'm just going to take some of my alcohol and I'm just going to start patting that in my full nail cover. These are the Coffin full nail covers in my Amazon store. I only have 5 or 6 listed, and those are the ones that I use in all of my videos. So it's not like a huge list. I wanted to make sure that like the stuff on my Amazon list is stuff that I bought with my own money and that I personally love. It's not sponsored or anything. So I recommend it 10 out of 10. And you'll see this on in the full nail covers list in my Amazon store if you are interested in purchasing. So this is super easy. 3 of my nails are going to be white, and then the other 2 is either going to be clear or like a little marble mixture that I'll show you guys later in this video. So I'm just going to do those first and then I will be back. Alright, so I'm going to go with my clear polygel for this nail, and you don't have to do like the whole thing. You can only like really do the base of it because we're going to cover this nail up anyway, so you won't even be able to see the underneath. I definitely recommend MAKARRT's clear polygel though. Their clear polygel is the best that I've come across. It doesn't turn yellow, and on top of that it doesn't bubble, which is major. Clear polygels can turn yellowish and some of them like have extreme bubbling, and MAKARRT's is definitely the best one I come across. I'm gonna make a playlist in my Amazon store of my favorite polygels, and this one is definitely going to be included. So for my flower nail, I wanted to do like a frothy design, kind of marbly but more frothy. So what I'm gonna do is take my little slate and I'm gonna put on some of that white polygel and some of the clear polygel, and then I'm kind of gonna marble it and apply it in my full nail cover. It's gonna be super easy. So yeah, this is super easy. As you can see, all I'm doing is swirling it here. If you want more of a marble design, then don't swirl it as much as I did. Just take it and kind of do like 2 lines, 2 swirls I would say, and then you'll get a marble, but I was going for a more frothy effect. So yeah, I just scooped it up and I'm just gonna put that in my full nail cover and pat away. Boom, voila, love it. It's so adorable. This flower is giving. I love this flower, y'all. Wait until I do my little designs. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe down my nails before we begin filing. Gonna go in with a 180 grit nail file. These are my absolute favorite, and they are linked in my Amazon store as well. I love these nail files. They're the best. It's hard to find a good nail file that doesn't leave like black residue. I prefer lighter shade nail files because of that. So for my bling, I'm going to be using the Beetles Rhinestone nail glue, and I'm going to be using this little doohickey that I got off of Shein actually. or Amazon. I'm not sure, but I'll link one in my Amazon store because these are like, universal. You can't really mess up one of these. So I'll link it if you're interested, but all I'm going to do is go in with that rhinestone glue, put it on my nail, and then kind of like polish it on there almost. And then I'm going to go in with my caviar beads. These are linked in my store, and I'm just going to apply them, sprinkle them on top of my nail, tap, tap, tap. I like how these have 2 trays, so after you finish with one, you can take that out, and there's another one at the bottom as well. So these are really easy to use and really helpful for everything, for glitter, for caviar beads, whole 9. I really love these. So you can see I took the tray at the bottom. You just want to remember when doing this to get the sides of your nails, because I used to always forget to do the sides. So yeah. So my camera cut out. Okay, but let's talk about the quality. I use my iPhone for this part. Are you kidding? Tell me which you guys like better, because if my iPhone quality is better, I'm gonna feel some type of way. But I used a thick top coat, and then I just sprinkled over the glitter. Then for my next nail, I used that rhinestone glue, and I used some AB crystals to do my thumbs and to put a rhinestone on my flower. Now for the flowers, I want to point out the left is matte and the right is glossy. I accidentally top coated the right nail. Don't do that. Top coat only the nail and then leave the flower matte, because I feel like that looks just a lot better and a lot cleaner. But yeah, I'm just gonna use some cuticle oil and finish off my nails. Everything is linked in my Amazon store, and I do have a discount code for MAKARRT products as well down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on Thursday. Bye.